Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Code Assist. First, understand that Gemini Code Assist is an AI-powered tool designed to enhance your coding workflow. It provides real-time suggestions and completions, helping you write code faster and with fewer errors. This integration streamlines your development process, allowing you to focus on complex problem-solving rather than repetitive tasks. It's like having a smart coding partner right by your side. To begin, you'll need to install the Gemini Code Assist extension within your integrated development environment. After installation, authenticate your account to unlock all features. Take a moment to customize the settings, such as your preferred programming languages and coding conventions. This personalization ensures the suggestions align perfectly with your project's requirements, making the tool incredibly effective from day one. Once set up, using Code Assist is intuitive. As you type, intelligent code suggestions will appear automatically. You can accept these suggestions with a quick key press, typically the Tab key. Sometimes, multiple options will be presented, allowing you to select the most appropriate one for your context. This feature significantly reduces typing and helps maintain code consistency across your projects, saving you valuable development time. Beyond basic suggestions, Gemini Code Assist offers powerful advanced features. You can use it to refactor existing code, transforming it into more efficient or readable forms. It can also generate unit tests for your functions, ensuring code quality. Furthermore, the tool assists in debugging by providing contextual error analysis, helping you pinpoint and resolve issues quickly. These capabilities make it an indispensable asset for any developer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.